Up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can add music into your Instagram post. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do, first you have to go to an Instagram. After going to Instagram, you have to go to your profile just like this. After going to profile, you have to click on the plus icon like here. Then you have to scroll down and find the post that you want to post. I'm going to post this and add music on it. Then after selecting the post, you have to click on next. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you so that you can add music to your Instagram post. So after doing so, you have to click on the music icon like here in the top right corner. If you can't see the music option in your mobile phone or in your device, what you need to do, you have to click on next. After clicking on next, you must see a option like here, the add music option in the third option like here. Then you have to click on add music just like this. Then you can search, pretty much search any music from here. Otherwise you can select a music from here. I'm going to add this one. Then after that you have to scroll and select the partition of the music, portion of the music that you want to add on your photo. After doing so, you have to click on the tick option in the top right corner. After doing so, you can add the captions like here. I am not adding. So after doing so, you have to click on share. Then you have to go to in profile. So after sometimes your post has been uploaded, then here you can see the music has been added on my post. So this is how you can add music into your Instagram post just like this. So I hope you like this video and find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.